KeepKey wallet versus Mycelium wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are included in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets based on features, security, usability, and target users, helping you make an informed decision. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for secure offline storage of cryptocurrencies. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it ideal for users with diverse portfolios. Its large screen simplifies transaction verification, and its integration with Shapeshift allows for easy in-wallet crypto exchanges. With its sturdy build and open-source firmware, KeepKey provides reliable security and transparency. However, it lacks mobile app integration and Bluetooth support, which may limit its convenience for users who prioritize mobility. Mycelium Wallet, in contrast, is a software wallet known for its advanced features and strong reputation in the crypto community. It supports Bitcoin and a range of Ethereum-based tokens, making it a good choice for users focusing on these assets. Mycelium excels in mobility as it's a mobile-first wallet available on Android and iOS. It offers features like cold storage integration, customizable transaction fees, and compatibility with hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. However, its user interface can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its advanced tools, which are tailored more for experienced crypto users. The choice comes down to your priorities. KeepKey Wallet is perfect for users who value secure offline storage, a simple interface, and in-wallet asset management through Shapeshift. It's particularly suitable for those who prefer a hardware wallet and are comfortable managing their crypto primarily on desktop devices. Mycelium Wallet, on the other hand, is geared toward users seeking a flexible, mobile-friendly solution with advanced features for Bitcoin and Ethereum management. It's ideal for active traders and experienced crypto enthusiasts who appreciate cold storage integration and customizable features. In summary, KeepKey is best for security-focused users seeking a straightforward hardware wallet, while Mycelium appeals to those who want an advanced, on-the-go software wallet. Let us know in the comments which wallet suits your needs better.